What is AI agents? Imagine software that doesn't just follow instructions, but actually makes decisions, takes actions, and works toward goals on its own. That's exactly what AI agents are, and they're quickly becoming one of the most powerful developments in artificial intelligence. RobotFace. AI agents are computer programs designed to act autonomously to achieve specific goals. Instead of waiting for step-by-step commands, an AI agent observes its environment, processes information, makes decisions, and takes actions, often without constant human supervision. In simple terms, an AI agent is like a digital worker that can think through problems and figure out what to do next. At the core of every AI agent are three key abilities: perception, reasoning, and action. First, the agent gathers information from its environment. This could be data from sensors, text from a website, or commands from a user. Next, it reasons about that information using algorithms or machine learning models. Finally, it takes action, such as sending an email, booking a meeting, analyzing data, or even controlling a robot. What makes AI agents especially powerful is their ability to plan. Instead of handling just one task, advanced agents can break a large goal into smaller steps and complete them in sequence. For example, if you tell an AI agent to research a topic, it can search the web, read multiple sources, summarize key points, and deliver a final report, all automatically. Bar chart. You may already be interacting with simple forms of AI agents every day. Virtual assistants, customer service chatbots, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles all rely on agent-like behavior. However, modern AI agents go even further by combining large language models, memory systems, and tools that allow them to interact with software and digital environments. There are different types of AI agents depending on their complexity. Some are reactive agents that respond instantly to specific inputs. Others are goal-based agents that evaluate multiple options before deciding what to do. The most advanced versions are learning agents, which improve their performance over time by learning from experience. AI agents are expected to transform many industries. In business, they can automate repetitive workflows. In healthcare, they can assist with diagnosis and patient monitoring. In logistics, they can optimize delivery routes. And in everyday life, they may soon handle scheduling, travel planning, and personal organization automatically. Rocket. However, with this power comes responsibility. Developers must ensure AI agents are safe, reliable, and aligned with human goals. Issues like privacy, security, and ethical decision-making are major challenges that researchers are still working to solve. In short, AI agents represent the next step beyond simple automation. They are systems that don't just respond, they act, plan, and adapt. And as technology continues to evolve, AI agents may become the invisible digital workforce powering the future of how we live and work.